I got a 2011 Honda Odyssey, and the outside door handle on the sliding door here is not opening the door. The inside one is working just fine. So to me, that tells me that that is not a gasket issue, the gasket sticking, because it requires like no force to open it with the inside handle. If it was a gasket, I would think that it would be the same for the inside and the outside handles. So I'll show you what I found. I took the door panel off here, and if I reach around to the outside and I pull on the outside handle, you can see this cable here with the little green tab at the end has a little bit of play in it. Now, I've already replaced this cable and it actually solved my problem, but before I replaced it, there was a bit more play there. So I think what happened is the cable got stretched, probably from years of people really pulling hard on it. So you can see that much play is okay, but if it has much more than that, then it's not, that's probably your problem. So what I did to test it is I took this clip off here, and in this slot, I slid something down in that slot and then put the cable back on, and then tried it, and the handle opened it perfectly. So I could tell, okay, so this is an issue with the length of the cable here. So I swapped the cable out, and now it works good. Another thing you can take a quick look at here is this part here. So now when I move the inside handle, you can see how close that comes. This piece comes to this here. For some reason, the inside handle moves it closer. Now, I don't know if it's just my van or if this is the way it's designed, but when I pull this all the way out, you can see how close that gets. It's not quite as close, and if I pull the inside one, it'll get even closer. So that's another thing to take a look at there. But 25 bucks, and it took me like 10-15 minutes to swap the cable. It's really easy. So pretty simple fix, and that seems to be what was going on with my van. So hope this helps you out.